St. Anne's High School Tivim celebrated its annual day 2025 on Saturday with immense enthusiasm. Themed Messengers of Peace, Rays of Hope, the event was a vibrant display of student talent and creativity brought to life through cultural performances, dances, and music. The teachers of the school put in remarkable effort and initiative to make the event a grand success. The principal, Sister Lena Mascarenhas, welcomed the chief guest alongside the students, marking the beginning of a memorable celebration. The event was graced by Chief Guest Dr. Russell D'Souza, Principal of Nirmala Institute of Education, Panjim, who praised the students' hard work and motivated them to strive for excellence in every field. Guest of Honor Suman Gad, an ex-student and currently Senior Civil Judge and Judicial Magistrate First Class at B Court Mapsa. The event concluded on a joyous note, celebrating achievements while spreading a heartfelt message of hope, peace, and togetherness. Students from nursery to high school delivered captivating performances that left the audience spellbound.
अशेच काय लोकनाचाची आणि गोयच्या व्यवसायांचे दर्शन आमची भुरगी तुमच्या मुखार घेऊन येतात. चला तर गोयचो मान फुलोवया.
गोयचो मान फुलोवया.
Here comes the art of racket, badminton. Give it a round of
different styles.
Dharma. Wushu is a priority sport which includes punches, kicks, beneficial for breathing practice, improves flexibility, strength, mental well-being. Moreover, it improves balance and supports cardiovascular health. Here comes the enthusiastic sport, gymnastics. Give it a round of applause, everyone. Flexibility is on next level. The strength unfolds the symphony of movement. The Tower of Tivim inaugurates today.
Give them a big round of and great cover drive. They are display a wonderful catch. Return to India. We have all black belts over here. This is the top kick. St. Anne's High School has a vibrant football team. We have the goalkeepers in the center, trying to display some footballing skills on the stage.
Respect and skill, a martial art blend with winning friends. Our school players win numerous medals.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.